Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to use Uber app, a beginner's guide in 2025. So here as you can see, uh, uh, I'm on the official Uber site. So how Uber works and a quick guide to Uber. So first of all, you need to uh, see a quick guide to Uber. So first of all, the rider enters their destination into the where to or drop off location box, review each ride option, make their selection and confirms the pickup. After that, a nearby driver accepts the rider's ride request. The ride is automatically notified as the driver gets close. And after that, the driver and the rider verify each other's name and destination. Then the driver starts the ride. After that, the app gives the driver the option to access turn by turn directions, and at the end of the each trip, drivers and riders can rate each other from 1 to 5 star. Rider also have the option to tip directly in the app or online, and in some countries, riders choose to give their driver compliments. And you can just write a request online, or you can just also download the Uber app on your Android or iOS device and just register with your name and your phone number, and after that you are good to call a driver to reach your destination faster and affordably. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.